Have you ever been in a situation where you reacted so negatively that you were embarrassed by your behavior? And then, to make matters worse, you beat yourself up over and over and over again? Yeah, me too. And many of you have been writing to me about this situation with this negative reaction or overly emotional reaction, and I'm on vacation and I couldn't sleep because I wanted to be able to answer your questions and help you. And I realized, well, the sun is about to rise, so this could be a wonderful metaphor for the sun rising in your understanding about how to handle this situation. So let's do this together. Whenever you're in a situation like that, you want to think about the who, what, when, where, why, and how. So let's look at who. Who was involved in this situation where you reacted so negatively? And it might have been more than one person, but think about that person. Now, let's go to the next one. What? What does he or she say or do that makes you react so negatively? When? When does this happen? Does it happen when you are completely rested, when you're feeling good about yourself, or when you're already a little stressed out and needing of some self-care, but for whatever reason have not done so? Where? Where does this take place when you're having a negative reaction like this? Is it when you're alone with the person, or is it when there's an audience around? So think about that, because that may provoke you to react differently. Wondering about other people, what they can hear, what they can see, or you may be able to even see their faces, and that's getting you frustrated and upset. So where is this taking place? Why? Why is this person talking to you the way he or she is talking to you, or saying the things? Why is this happening? And why is this happening now? You want to ask these questions because it might not be a coincidence. This might have been orchestrated. Again, if you're going to look at it like an investigative reporter, you want to dig in using this journalism technique and asking these questions: who, what, when, where, why, and then finally, how. How did you react to what was going on? And it probably wasn't very positively, otherwise we wouldn't be in this situation. And you want to change. Instead of asking, why is this happening, or why am I so stupid, or why can't I handle things, you want to think about responding in a different way. So let's do it all over again and ask the who, what, when, where, why, and how questions. But this time, as if you're creating a play where you're the superhero, you get to win, you've done everything right. So now, in the who, well, you know who this person is or who these people are who get you to react in such a negative way. What? What do they say or do to make you feel or negatively or react in a negative way? When? When does this happen? And if it happens when you are tired, when you're stressed out, when you're already feeling overwhelmed, well then the next time you're in a scenario like this, you know that something could happen because you're already tired. You have to take precautions and be careful. Where? Where does it happen? Or be aware of your surroundings, that there may be others listening and hearing what is going on between either the two of you or you and these other people, and you want to be cognizant of the fact that that's a sensitive issue for you, that you care about what other people think and you don't want this audience around. Why? Why is this happening? Why is this person talking to you in this manner at this time when he or she knows that you're already a little stressed out? Or maybe this individual or these individuals have no emotional intelligence or very little emotional intelligence, and they can't read other people and they don't even see that you're upset. And then how do you want to respond rather than react? It could be with patience, and not only patience with the other person, but patience with yourself. Feel the feet on the ground. Feel the seat beneath you if you're seated. Be in the moment and don't go off into the past. Oh, this always happens. This person always does this or that to me. Don't think about the future. Oh, if I fight with this person, I'm going to have an issue. Just stay very, very much in the moment and see yourself handling it perfectly, where you're patient with yourself and you're patient with that other person, and see yourself winning. And just as we're saying this, the sun is peeking out. You can see it. And I think that's a wonderful way to look at your life. Like, it's dawning on you what you need to do and how you need to handle this. Thanks for watching my videos.